Welcome back to the Kooler Denim channel. My name is Tina. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's going to be a denim jacket try-on haul. Fall is near, and this is the time when people really dress up and they layer and they show their really unique style. Whether you're going to be wearing a dress, you're wearing jeans, sweats, or a skirt, you can definitely always incorporate denim in your look, and I'm gonna show you how. So y'all stay tuned. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Kooler Denim channel. For my first look, I'm going to be rocking a denim crop distress jacket with a halter neon green dress. The jacket also has a neon green design on the back that coordinates with the dress as well.
Well, I just wanted to win so bad.
Okay guys, I'm back showing you how I would rock this crop black Ashawas denim jacket that I have customized with real working zippers. Let me see if I can show you. See, I can even zip them up. And this looks cool just like that. I have some chains that I put on it just to customize it as well. Check out the chain. And the eyelets. And the heart breaker. Yeah. And then, let's see. Put that down. And then you can see the no. Let's see. Love with the button detail and the love. And it don't have to look classless if you know how to rock it. This one could easily go with it as well. It's a off-white designer jacket. It also has the elastic bands around the waist and the arm. So yeah, I could easily rock this one with this outfit also. See, girls, you can do that. See what you did. This for what? Denim. Okay, guys, so let's see what I have up next for you. My Chanel designer with a real Chanel elastic around the waist, and I'm rocking it with a tie-dye shirt that I custom tie-dye. This jacket has the two-tone pink tassels, and then on the back there is girl boss let go Chanel symbol on top at the back. You can also unbutton it so that you can see my tie-dye. And yes, it has pockets, and the pockets are functional. Here's another cool denim jacket that I probably would rock with these boyfriend jeans, and I could get away with it with this tie-dye shirt. This is my back off jacket. It's hand painted. And it has the purple drips coming down, and it says humble. On this side it says pocket watchers. Keep out. Get it. Get it. And then on the back says home. Back home. Less than 60. Back off. Yeah, that's how I will rock that. This is how I would rock. This one, my own One Monkey Don't Stop No Show. Bear in mind that your denim does not need to match perfectly. People are not matching denim. Besides, it is too hard to match denim. So this is me, maybe on a Friday, when you can wear jeans with your dressy shirt. Yeah, that's how we doing it at Kooler Denim. Because what? We are Kooler Denim. Let me know which one was your favorite look. I'm working on this one right now, and I love the way it came out. So I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think I am going to put something on the back, but I could even wear this one too with this.